So this is 444 off of Angel Bay Knock to the Blue Lodge. And the picture that I'm going to use as the screensaver for this video is my message from Tukey from the Crooked Man saying, "Crip, nigga, crip." And so that's what the picture you're going to see when I save this going to be. The screensaver is my message from Tukey when I was going to get something to eat. So yesterday, Biden flew into Colorado and went to go meet with Hoover. The reason why he flew into Colorado, because when they invited Hoover to come talk to them, he declined. They had to come to him. He the fucking king. And so on his way, they had the corrections officer in Florence poll the inmates. Unanimously, every inmate that they asked if they wanted to speak to Biden while he was there to vex their grievance said, "We want you to talk to Hoover." Every inmate in Florence Max sent them to Hoover. And so they go to Angel Bay because Hoover refused to talk to him without his left-hand man. And since they didn't have Tukey in Colorado yet, he had to have Malachi York standing in off the Blue Lodge off the right hand. So when they go to talk to Angel Bay, he just stood there and looked at they motherfucking ass, right? So Biden little bitch ass was talking to him. And while Biden talking to him, he just looking at him. And then Biden started turning pink. Started getting flush red with fear. So he said, "There's no talking to this guy." And they turned around and they walked away. And the elder showed me where Biden told his Secret Service, he said, "Man, that guy's intense." And so they told him to tell me not to have the Crips in LA shut traffic down. Because last night, the LA Crip queen, the queen of all the Crips in LA, messaged me and said what the Tukey want to do, and I told her. He want them to shut the traffic down, Crip walking in the street in a parade. Crooked man walking on the motherfucking land, Crip, Crip, Crip. And so they told Hoover to ask me to not tell y'all to join together and send their ass packing. Hoover told them, "You tell them." So he went to his people and they gave him the message and they flipped it to me on the Wind Talker channel. A red alert, flashing light, warning, stop. The location was identified by the lookalike of Joe Biden in Los Angeles in the street. So they telling me, don't tell the Crips to shut LA down, Crip walking, and the Bloods be walking together in unity, because that would draw too much attention to the cause. Larry said, "You tell him." We can't tell him. So Biden flipped me the message. When I got the message, I put it on Instagram. Showed y'all what the fuck I'm talking about so y'all could see it for yourself. He was 111 miles from Hoover when he made a public appearance. That was misdirection. It was a 2-bar cane flip off 3 chiefs. They ain't negotiating. They want their people to stick together. They told that motherfucker to kiss their ass because they can't tell me to stand down. So with Biden, he had the director of the Department of Justice and he had the Attorney General with him when he went. The initials is MJM. MJM flips to W7W, a Tupac West Side knock off two West Side Kings, which was Suge Knight, because they went to him and asked him to tell me not to call the Bloods and Crips together because it would make too much of a scene and scare the American public. Mary and Suge Knight told them motherfuckers, I ain't got nothing to do with that. I got my own case to worry about. And so they offered Suge to dismiss his case and let him out of the penitentiary if he tell the Bloods to stand down. And so the elder showed me Suge stood up. He looked at him and he said, Pyru, I'm going to put Damu on you. And everybody know Damu was his German Shepherd. And the German Shepherd is a shepherd of the flock. It's a herding dog, a sheepdog. And it's a sheepdog that tear ass. But he talking about Snoop, who is telling me in the code that they was going to Snoop next, his shepherd. So Snoop told them motherfuckers he ain't got nothing for him. I don't know what you talking about. They haven't gave me no messages like that. Why in the fuck is you coming to my house with this bullshit? So he slammed the door in their face. When Snoop slammed the door in their face, that told me that this door closed, they can't get no information here. So everybody pointed me back east where I bumped into Nicki Minaj giving they motherfucking ass the riot act about our shit and about inviting her to the White House where she flipped me the codes of what I was looking for when the elders started showing me the images. So now I know what I'm looking at. Then when I got done, I seen the whole picture. So they trying to get the ones that they think have influence to tell me to shut the fuck up. Not gonna happen, Captain. The wrong motherfucking one. I will not back the fuck down. Now, that's my position. No retreat, no motherfucking surrender. Never give in, never give fucking up. Bust a motherfucking ass, crip walking on the land. Crooked man walking. B's walking, C's walking. That's a BC flip before Christ. Back before all this shit happened. To an AD, which is an Anno Domini, which is a 1-4 flip. Which is a four-corner shuffle. Off of one flipper. On the left and the right. Make it a seal. On a 19 is a sacred seal. On a knock to a knockback all across the land, gorillas knocking. Gorillas knocking. Got this whole motherfucker rocking. These bitches is scared to fucking death. You hear me? They said they starting to listen to this crazy ass nigga that's been cooped up in a house for 2 fucking years. Where this motherfucker come from? Been here all the time. Flying under your radar. Because that's what I do. So now y'all starting to see the enemy show his motherfucking face. I don't got much time before my phone cut out. So I'm going to get this out. You will see them telling you not to join in a call for unity to cleanse the land of the rogue elements here. Because they will tell you there's no spiritual growth in it. There's no money in it. And they don't know a goddamn thing they talking about. The reason why you in poverty and the reason why you at church is because we've been letting them go along and get along ass niggas drive us down the wrong road backwards. Where you see them niggas at, drag they ass out in the open. Make them niggas be seen. And the people need to know Rizza Islam is giving the messages. Mama wanted them to know Rizza Islam is giving the messages. So when you hear Rizza Islam talk, he's talking in code, but he's also giving you valuable. So I still don't know which Amun Ra is supposed to step forward and speak. So I can't say if he stepped up or not, because it's so many of them with that name, I'm not sure which one. Unless he give me a knockback, I won't know. But Dr. York told him, because he told him that if they come try to talk to me, some UFOs gonna light their ass up. And I ain't gonna even know they was on their way. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what Dr. York told him. So I ain't worried about them coming here. He said I will never know that they was on their way here. Car accident, caravan just went off rail. They got lost, some crazy shit, but they won't make it here. Confusion, you know. They don't want y'all to join together in unity. They don't want y'all to say enough is a goddamn enough. I'm telling you, them motherfuckers petrified. They don't want Crips walking on the land, C walking on the land. They don't want Bloods be walking on the land. Everybody they going to is telling them they don't want no parts of nothing they talking about. They get doors shut in their face everywhere. Celebrities not helping them this time. Celebrities is playing the same kind of dumb on them that they used to play on us. See, tables is turning. Naya the Fire got this bitch burning. The firebenders in the house. Motherfucking Leos. Aries. Sag. Got their ass in a motherfucking flaming triangle. So, anyway, the knocks I don't have time to go through because my phone gonna die any second. But pay attention. These motherfuckers is begging for mercy. They didn't have none for us. So where you gonna find it at? You don't have to be a mean person to say, well, you didn't have no mercy when we was suffering. Now why should we care about you? The same goddamn motherfuckers. Why? You gotta go. That's it. We'll figure it out when they get out of here. We'll set the schools up, the training centers, because we're not gonna do school. We don't need them motherfuckers over here no more. They got to go. Let them go. They gotta go. We know who they is. They showing their motherfucking hand. Where you see them at, drag their ass out. So I'm gonna leave this one short. This is a 444 Angel Bay flip over a 444 Angels flip. That's 44-4 up top and 44-4 down bottom. That's 888s off of Orange motherfucking Knock. In the Blue Lodge off of Rump Shaker. Pumpkin Bottoms. Nicki Minaj stepped the fuck up and blazed they motherfucking ass. And them same niggas that be under the bottom talking about y'all niggas crazy. Like we don't know who the fuck the leaders is that we picked in our own goddamn community. We too stupid to know that. Y'all gotta remember who y'all dealing with. They capitalize on our ignorance. We ain't ignorant no more. I went and learned everything these motherfuckers got to teach and it wasn't enough. 7-4 to the motherfucking world blow. Crooked man cricket across the land. Crooked man walking on the land. Crip, crip, crip. So next thing you know, they want the Blood Queens to stand down and Cardi B don't want no parts of they shit. Right? Because she the one that's the public spokesperson on this matter. She told them ain't no sense in them calling her. She on COVID watch right now. She ain't got time to be worried about this shit. She dealing with COVID. That's what she told them. She say she dealing with COVID. She don't have time to deal with what they talking about right now, doing no public relations shit on their behalf. They done. Keep pushing the agenda. Hold on to this motherfucker till we can't motherfucking drive this motherfucker no farther up their ass. These motherfuckers is tapping out. Stay on the motherfucking course. We know who the fuck we is. We don't need no validation from them motherfuckers. We feel it in our soul. Fuck them people. They kiss my ass. I ain't backing the fuck down. Long as the people stand up, I ain't backing down. Cause ain't no sense in me fighting for myself cause I already got my shit. Now I gotta get my people shit. Sea walking on the land. Let it be known on the West Coast. That's what Big Tookie said. Crooked man walking across the land. Crip, crip, crip. Keep it crip. B man, bloods on the land. B walk, keep them crips crippin'. Motivation, one off the other. Tit for tat, forth and back, just like they did us in their motherfucking face in real time. If they can do it to us, we can do it to them. Turnabout has always been fair play. We ain't trying to do harm to them like they was us. We trying to get them the fuck out of our business. Family business. That's all. It ain't personal. Because if it was personal, I'd have had this bitch blowed up by now. It's just family business. We came back for every motherfucking thing they owe. Let's get our shit and just go ahead about our business. We don't need them motherfuckers. They just taking up motherfucking oxygen real motherfuckers could be breathing. So with that, off the knockback, I'm going to check out right here. If I get any more information, I'm going to make a post or I'm going to do a live. I'll keep y'all up to date.